What is going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. Today we're going to be diving into GameStation, an upcoming gaming launchpad multi-chain that I'm very bullish on. We're going to get into some projects comparatively that have done very well. These upcoming gaming launchpads that are going to start putting out major gaming launches over the next couple of years are going to be huge in the gaming landscape. And we've seen the success of launchpads across a lot of different sectors. So I think that just goes without saying. But I want to also get into why I'm so bullish on gaming crypto. It's a green day today for a lot of assets, and especially at night right now when I'm recording this, Bitcoin is pumping. But I want to get into why, like gaming projects a lot of the time are leading the board here, and a lot of projects that we've covered on the channel. And I want to get into the mass adoption, what the markets are looking like, the top gaining sectors, and then why GameStation is a bullish platform coming up to provide you an upcoming potential gem to look out for, because their token's not available yet. You can't invest in GameStation at this moment, and I am not an investment advisor. So do your own research, but I am just here to show you exactly what I am looking at in the markets. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button and like the video if you enjoyed the video. We come out with brand new cryptocurrency, altcoin, DeFi, and crypto gaming videos here every single day on the channel. And be sure to like the video if you enjoy the video. So let's go ahead and get into it. I want to point out, guys, so when you look across the board, Ethereum chain, absolutely killing it today, guys. We did our Shaq NFT video just the other day, and we said why the ERN token was super undervalued, not overvalued, undervalued, and up 32% today and 16% this week, and that is an NFT platform, guys. You take a look at Gem Guardian, up 24%. Poker, we've gone over Poker here on multiple videos. 22% up and 34% this week. You see AstroSwap is DeFi, but good to see AstroSwap absolutely doing numbers as well. We did a video on that. Axie doing its thing, up 15% for the week. Redoto got its it got a pancake swap listing today, so it's absolutely pumping, and it's up 132% this week. We covered that in our previous gaming gym video. It was like a video where I covered about 10 projects. Virtue Poker as well, we've covered on the channel, up 12%. Engine Starter up 10% today. Good to see Yield Gaming picking up some steam. It was kind of stuck in a middle ground. We haven't covered this one on the channel, but the trend here, guys, Illuvium doing great numbers. Project Quantum up another 30%. We started covering Project Quantum about a month ago, over a month ago. And I mean, you see the gains that this thing has put on over the last month. And this thing just keeps going. And there's a lot of projects out here, guys, in the gaming space that are going to continue. You see the Bitcoin's only up 1% and it's at $59,000. Ethereum's only up 5%. You go to the top gainers, we're talking 35%, 22%, 22%, 17%, 14%. There's a reason why the gaming sector is getting so much of our attention here around the blockchain, because these smaller cap projects up and coming over the next couple of years, as play to earn evolves and as AAA studios get involved, it's going to be absolutely crazy. And I wanted to get into this crypto markets chart and just show another reason why this backs up my statement of other projects don't do numbers like gaming and NFTs. There's not like a gaming space, so take it with a grain of salt on that. But this is what I found here. And basically what we're looking at is the crypto markets over the last 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. The last and this was 2 hours ago sourced. NFTs are up 32% in 30 days, up 3.8% for the 24-hour, and up 1% for the 7-day. But if you look at across the board, only thing outgaining it was Ethereum in the last 24 hours. And then in 30 days, I mean, it's not even close, other than Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance, as you see here, 44.9%. So I wanted to show this chart here because NFTs is classifying gaming at this point, because it's the only space that it would fit under. And that's just showing you the adoption rate that NFTs are having and that crypto gaming will have. Like I mentioned, when AAA gaming studios and more adoption comes along the way and in-game ownership really takes off, because there's going to be a moment, right, where you've been investing in these crypto games waiting for the moment of adoption, and you're going to be here for it way before, and you're already going to have all of your chips in the right spots. So that's what we're here for on the channel. I want to get in this article on GameStation and some trends in the blockchain gaming industry that are super bullish, and then I also will just briefly cover GameStation and their tokenomics heading into, they haven't announced exactly their launch date and what launchpad they will put their platform on to launch on. Like, they're not going to launch, I don't think they're going to Launchpad on their own platform based on what they have put in their Telegram. So we will look out to where their token launches, and we'll also look out for the official token launch date. But the marketplace will also allow in-game items to be traded, loaned, and borrowed to enhance gameplay and enable players to earn additional revenue inside of GameStation. And that's inside of their Launchpad. So that's a little bit of a different twist. They're going to have an in-game asset marketplace inside of their Launchpad. I really like that idea. It could kind of be an all-in-one, kind of like it mentions GameStation. So I thought that was really cool to see that inside of the project incubator and Launchpad. People, whenever you talk about Launchpads a lot of the time, other than diversifying the projects that they put out, you have to find what sets them apart from each other and what makes a Launchpad unique from another. Because as you see here, we have GameZone, we have Seedify, we have Engine Starter, we have Game Starter, there's NFT Launch. So there's so many gaming and NFT Launchpad platforms. So like, why choose one or the other? So you look at GameStation, and they're looking to add that marketplace aspect. So that is something that they are trying to add to their mix. Not that other platforms, some of these others, have similar features like the NFT launch or stuff like that. But otherwise, GameStation's trying to have both sides of it. They're trying to be like a project incubator and a Launchpad, as well as a marketplace. So I do like that. And you take a look at what the report right here, and this is true. We've mentioned this about Axie. We mentioned this when we talked about Niceperience, the Litcraft Niceperience project that Tom Anderson and team are putting over there on the Devio blockchain. Some games in the Philippines are reportedly earning more than an average monthly salary in their country by playing blockchain games, which means that GameFi has the potential to change players' lives for the better. So, like, literally, these games can provide a living for certain countries. This is like revolutionary technology that's coming out on the blockchain. It truly is. And especially whenever, like, I know Axie has a 3 Axie floor to get involved. A lot of games that are coming out now, you don't really have to buy anything. You can start for free and start earning in the economy, which is like a really good way to go about it. But you can also buy in with the land and like assets like a character or a pet, stuff like that. So let's get into GameStation, guys. There's just reasons I'm super bullish on blockchain gaming and on GameStation. Decentralized multi-chain gaming launchpad and marketplace. Don't play your favorite game, be a part of them. Obviously, it's a gaming launchpad, just like GameZone, just like Seedify. You stake a certain amount of tokens on their platform, and you're going to be able to participate in their IGOs when they come out with their initial game offers on their launchpad platform. As you see, their launchpad is not active yet. Their token is not out yet. But basically, here's all the blockchains they are running on, trying to be a revolutionary technology. This is what can set them apart. As you see, they are running on Ethereum, Binance, Polkadot, Solana, and Polygon. So a multi-chain platform, to say the least. Assets that are owned by the gamers with a financial value, obviously, which is the whole revolution behind in-game asset ownership. Blockchain and tokenized events, Launchpad to finance game development, and gamified drops in token rewards, including auto token staking and burns, and then increased gaming engagement through economical incentives. Their roadmap looks solid, and their token is on the way. They do have a fully doxed team here that you can look up into their backgrounds. It's pretty broad on the website, but you can look up the team. 20 years experience in marketing, senior partner at Applicature, blockchain development agency focused on research, and then specializes in marketing techniques and viral strategies. You see their strategic advisors, so solid that they're fully doxed there. And their partners, they're partnered with Pluto Alliance. Obviously, that is the Bit Squad, Bit Boys channel. That is the NFT that they launched, I believe. And then they have some partners to be announced. So they do have, major names that they are partnered with. That is good to see. Now let's take a look at their tokenomics. 100 million gamer will be put in token supply. About 3.8 million will be in circulation. That's pretty scarce. So That's at token generation. That is at token generation. Keep that in mind. So there will be more circulating supply, but at they're going to have to release from different types of private sales, stuff like that. You look at the hard cap, it's going to be about 2.33 million, but the token generation market cap is at 367,500. Token price to the public will start at 10 cents. This definitely can do major numbers at that market cap. When you look at GameZone, immediately up to 50. It's just a Bluezilla project, so we'll take GameZone with a little bit of grain of salt. 54 million market cap, 80 million market cap for Seedify. Diluted fully and this is a little off for sure with these new platforms on CoinMarketCap. Sometimes they're inflated. 654 million on the fully diluted market cap there. This one doesn't have a market cap here, but 208 million for the fully diluted for GameStarter, and then 13 million even for NFT Launch, which is the smallest, I would say, of all those Bluezilla platforms. So I think definitely that GameStation, where were their tokenomics at? Here they are. Their tokenomics, I think this could definitely do a definite 10x at least, just off the basis of where it's going to start and the public sale price, the token generation market cap, and I believe they will list on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, all that good stuff, especially considering that they are multi-chain as they are. So there's a lot of reasons to be bullish about GameStation, guys. I just wanted to bring this one up on the channel. Get into overall, I know we've been focusing a lot on the crypto gaming stuff here on the channel, but this is really the most bullish sector across the board based on the growth of the market cap value of the entire gaming industry. We're going to see that market cap absolutely balloon for those projects, and that's only going to lead to great things for price. And like we said, you just don't see gains like this on Bitcoin. You just don't. So we will be back with more gaming gems, DeFi platforms, and Cardano ecosystem updates as well this weekend. Hopefully we get some news out of some other platforms in the Cardano DeFi ecosystem, and we will be on the lookout for that. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like the video if you enjoyed the video. If you are bullish on crypto gaming, if you are bullish on NFTs, GameStation, etc. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good evening, night, or morning wherever you are. Peace.